Hello everyone, this is your girl Sid and welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be talking about my hair, and I also want to measure to see how much my hair has grown over the past 4 months. For the past 4 months, I've been using a combination of protective styling, adding moisture, and using this famous growth oil to see if I can retain some length. The last time I measured my hair, I was about 6 inches in the front. So I want to see how much my hair has grown in 4 months. I'm super excited because I do feel like there are some lengths, but numbers never lie, right? Okay, so over the past 4 months, I decided to basically stick to protective styles. You can check out some of my other videos where I show you different ideas of things you can do with your hair. And I've also been using water and this oil right here. It's called the Wild Growth Oil. I saw the internet raving over it, so I was like, let me give it a try. And I've been doing that with protective styling, so I'm not combing my hair too much. And today I'm really excited to see. So with me here, I have my son's ruler. All right, so I'm gonna start with this section of my hair. This was the part I measured the last time. I'm just gonna put the ruler to my roots. All right, let's see how much I have achieved within the last however long. Come on, focus thing. Here we go. So it's at about 8 inch. Okay, all right. The longest run is past the 8 inch, but I'm gonna stick with about 8 inch. So I have gained 2 inches in 4 months. Okay, so that's half an inch per month. Okay. Your girl is seeing some length and I'm super excited for that. Super excited for that. Well, there you have it. 4 months in and my hair is 2 inches longer. I am super excited to see if it's gonna grow another 2 more inches in the next 4 months. I am still going to be using protective styling and using the Wild Growth Oil and water and my creams to see if it will continue to grow the way I want it to. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please, I'm asking you, hit that subscription button, and thank you so much for watching.